So as you can see here, we are looking at US 30, you know. So I want to show you what I see on US 30. So if you're new to the channel, my name is FX Juba Snipe. I help you make money in the forex market, and I teach you how to trade, you know. And I help you with the different strategies. So this is my best strategy that I'm about to share with you guys, you know. Most of you guys knows me. I actually give you like different strategies when it comes to the mobile strategies and market analysis, you know. So it's fire. So I want to show you what I actually see from US 30, you know. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video and subscribe as well, because you're gonna be receiving different strategies which are going to help you make money in a forex market. So without being said, let's get the video. So we gonna be using trend line strategy, you know. So the first thing I look at when it comes to US 30, we can see that the market is being around this area here, right? So we're gonna start from this area here, right, and see how the market has been performing. We can see that the market came to this area, pullback, continuation, we got pullback. All right, so since we got these two, right, now we can see that we got something like trend line, you know. So we're gonna try to pull up the trend line, right? We're gonna try to pull up the trend line. We're gonna pull up the trend line just to connect these two, right? So after that, we got continuation and we got pullback as well. Continuation and around this area first, we're gonna draw our trend line straight up all the way to this point right here, right? So now we can see that the market has been moving on trend line. We can see that the market has been moving on trend line. Then we're gonna put, let's just put our resistance, right? Gonna put our resistance right here. Okay, gang, so now this is how the market has been moving, and I say this is how the market has been moving. The market has been moving in between support and resistance. All right, so we also got some zones. We also had some zones like around this area. You can see that we had a zone, and around this area as well. We can see that we had some zone around this area, and we got another zone right here. This one, which is the one which I'll be paying attention at. I'll be paying attention to this one. So gang, as you can see here, around this area, the market came from the market came from resistance straight down and give us the breakout, you know. Give us the breakout. After the breakout, we can see some little pullback, you know. And the market, you can see that came back around this area here, which means now this is what we're going to pay attention at. We're gonna pay attention around this area here, right? We're gonna pay attention around this area here, because now we can see that the market is no longer on an uptrend, and the market is no longer following the trend, the trend line strategy. So right now the market is already created something else. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then I'm gonna explain to you. You have to listen to me. And before I explain this part here, before I explain this part here, please smash that like button below, because this is something which you don't wanna miss. You know what I say? So we can see that the market has been create something we call head and shoulder. Right, you can see that the market has already created something like something we call head and shoulder. So now, since we have this, we can see that the market is about to drop. Let me show you what I mean by that. The market is about to drop. So this is what the market is about to do. As you can see here, the market has been respecting the zone, which is this one, right? The market has been respecting the zone right here. So now what we're gonna do, this is what we're gonna do, right? And this is what we're gonna do, because this is what we're expecting by now. The market is about to drop all these pips, guys, all these pips. The market is about to drop all these pips. Let's count how many pips is that. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot of pips, guys. It's a lot of pips. So as head and shoulder, guys, this is how we trade head and shoulder, right? Since the market gave us some breakout around this area, and the market, you can see that came back straight to the zone, which is this one. So now we expect it to drop all the way to this point. You feel me? So all we need to do in order to catch all these pips, we're gonna switch, let's say, on 15-minute time frame. You feel what I'm saying? So on 15-minute time frame, now I already have the the direction of the market, which is on downtrend. So right now I'm going to be waiting for some confirmation candlesticks around this area. Then after the confirmations around this area, then it's gonna be a time to enter the market. You already know, man. So now all I'm gonna do, guys, I'll be playing around. I'll be playing around, but I'll keep on looking around this area if I'll get some confirmations candlesticks around this area. And then after I got some confirmations candlestick around this area, then it's gonna be my time to enter the market and kill all these pips. You know what I'm saying? But by now, guys, we have to be patient. Because there's nothing that it might make me like to enter this trade. You know what I'm saying? So I have to be patient and patient and patient and patient. You know what I'm saying? Patient is everything, guys. Patient is everything, guys. So let's just be patient. Then we're gonna kill all these peeps right here. Remember, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you join our free Telegram group. I always, share the setup before I enter the market, just to show everyone which market am I paying attention to. So as we speak, this setup right here, I already sent it in my free Telegram group. Just everyone to see, just to show to everybody the trade that I'm paying attention to. So by now I'm paying attention to this trade, you know what I'm saying? And when it's ready to be taken, guys, I'm gonna make sure I share the trade with my team. You already know. So make sure you like the video and subscribe. I hope you learn how I trade, and I hope you learn how I do my analysis before I enter the market. So as we speak, guys, right now I'm patient. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful. The trend is crazy. Now I just waiting for confirmations around this area. And if you don't know what is the confirmation which I'm waiting for, just leave the comment below, then I'll do the video for you guys. Peace out.